Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of Forex trading, choosing the right broker is crucial. Today, we're breaking down Avatrade in our 2025 review. Is it worth your time and investment? Let's find out step by step. First off, Avatrade is a veteran in the Forex scene, established in 2006 and regulated by top authorities like the ASIC in Australia and CYSEC in Europe. This means your funds are protected with high security standards, which is a big plus in today's volatile markets. One of the standout features is their intuitive trading platforms. They offer MetaTrader 4 and 5, along with their own proprietary app, making it user-friendly for both beginners and seasoned traders. You get access to a wide range of assets, including currencies, stocks, commodities, and even cryptocurrencies, with leverage options up to 400 to 1 on major pairs. Let's talk pros. Avatrade shines with no minimum deposit on some accounts, zero commissions on trades, and a heap of educational resources like webinars and tutorials to help you level up your skills. Their demo accounts are fantastic for practicing without risking real money. On the flip side, spreads can be a bit higher compared to competitors, and there are inactivity fees if you don't trade for a while, which might eat into your profits. Looking ahead to 2025, Avatrade has been upgrading their tech with better mobile apps and AI-driven tools for analysis, keeping pace with industry trends. Customer support is responsive, with 24/5 availability, which is reassuring for new users. So, is Avatrade worth using? If you're a beginner prioritizing safety, ease of use, and learning resources, then yes, it's a solid choice. Experienced traders might want to compare fees with brokers like eToro or IG. Ultimately, it depends on your trading style, but Avatrade offers a reliable platform in a competitive market. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Forex tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep trading smart.